This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the Aksh GPS and mounting it where the sky is open. This gives a clean signal. Once done, enable location and Bluetooth permissions so the unit can share coordinates and receive corrections. Make sure your device stays still for the initial 3-5 minutes to get a 3D fix. Aim for 6 or more satellites. This first fix stabilizes accuracy and prepares you to log waypoints or start navigation immediately. You now configure formats so data matches your workflow. Choose DD, DMS, or UTM and confirm WGS84 datum for compatibility. Once configured, create waypoints by tapping the Add button, naming each point, selecting a symbol, and saving. This organizes your field data. After that, build a route by linking waypoints in the desired order and picking a travel mode. This defines turn-by-turn guidance. Make sure to preview the route. You finish by saving your session and exporting data to GPX or KML for mapping or reporting. Use USB or Bluetooth to transfer files. Once done, perform a short test run to confirm tracking accuracy and recalibrate sensors if the track drifts. Make sure to monitor battery and storage before long missions. If you lose signal, move to a clearer sky, toggle GPS off then on, or restart the device. This simple troubleshooting step usually restores satellite lock quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.